mini cooking class.
Part 4. Instant noodle.
What you doing?
I make instant noodle, miss.
Oh, wow. How about the ingredient? What's the ingredient here? Dana.
Sausage, vegetables, instant noodle, and egg.
Okay. Oh, Chia, what are you doing?
I peel an egg.
Okay, and how about you, Naura? What are you doing?
I cut a vegetable, miss.
Okay, wow, good job, guys.
Milk tea, drink milk tea. Milk tea, just for me. Milk tea, drink milk tea. Milk tea, just for me. Hot.
Mix the noodle and seasoning. You can add an egg and sausage if you want.